Hey everyone, welcome back to the Model Factory. We are excited here because we have finished up the Outlaw Thunderbird. Yep, this thing is all done, finally. And so, of course, we're going to make a video here to share with you guys what it looks like. This is pretty much it. I mean, we got the glass installed, got a few little details added to it here and there, and it's all done. What we finished off from last time, like I said, is we got the glass put into this. So you can see here, and everything. We got that all installed. We did get the rear trunk spoiler put on, and then I'm gonna post some pictures at the end of this where you'll be able to see some of these details a little better. But on the trunk lid we got some Dzus fasteners put on, and then spin this around and you can see here on the other side, here's the hood. We do also have some Dzus fasteners all around the edges of that, to give that, you know, some detail and everything. And then let's spin around here. On the back, we've got a parachute, and it's a ProTech parachute that I've got on there. We've got the little, you know, red flag on it, and it says, you know, remove before flight. We've got the parachute line that runs back up under and connects. And then let's see, on this side here you can see we've got the little line that comes out, the release cable for the parachute line that the driver would pull inside to release. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really happy with how this turned out. Kind of, as you guys know, had a big change of direction in the middle of it. Was going with a shiny blue paint job. And then of course I had the issues with the body and the paint and everything that went bad, so we just kind of had a little revelation through the middle of this and decided to go this military theme. I'm really happy I did, just really happy with how it turned out and everything, and excited to see it all done. So anyway, I'm going to post some pictures, like I said, to show you guys all of it so you can see all of the detail in this. And of course, as you guys know, most of these detail parts are all ProTech detail parts, which can be found at protechmodelparts.com. And I will also have a list underneath the video, down in the bottom down there. I'll have a list of all of the parts and the part numbers, so you guys can, if you're looking to do something similar, you guys can see what those parts are. Alright, so I'm going to get out of the way here and let you guys see the slideshow. So stay tuned for more, everybody. Like I always say, eat, sleep, styrene, and keep building those awesome, awesome models.